Hello everyone, let's dive into the Argo Split Keyboard, a unique take on ergonomic typing. This keyboard isn't your typical one-piece design. It's split into two separate parts, allowing you to position each half for optimal comfort and wrist alignment. The idea is to prevent that uncomfortable pinching of tendons and blood vessels that can lead to carpal tunnel syndrome. One of the coolest features is the magnetic design that lets you connect the two halves, transforming it into a more compact, traditional keyboard when needed. This is great for portability or when you just need a more standard setup. Beyond the split design, the Argo keyboard incorporates a scissor mechanism for the keys. This usually translates to a more responsive and quieter typing experience, which is always a plus. It's also ultra-thin, giving it a sleek and modern look on your desk. The Argo Split Keyboard also comes with built-in brake software. This is a really thoughtful addition, especially for those of us who tend to get lost in our work and forget to take breaks. The software uses LED colors to remind you when it's time to step away from the computer, preventing strain and promoting healthier work habits. It even won an award for this feature. Connectivity is modern, using Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable and reliable connection with your devices. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, so you're covered no matter what operating system you prefer. The layout is QWERTY US, which is standard for most users. The Argo Split Keyboard is designed to be flexible and adaptable to your needs. Whether you're working on a laptop, PC, tablet, or even a smartphone, this keyboard can connect seamlessly. It's rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. The white color gives it a clean and minimalist aesthetic that will fit well in any workspace. If you're looking for an ergonomic keyboard that prioritizes comfort and well-being, the Argo Split Keyboard is definitely worth considering. The split design, brake software, and versatile connectivity options make it a standout choice for anyone who spends a lot of time typing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.